Dear all, in this video I'll be discussing most important questions in the area of chemistry. First of all, I would like to show you those questions and I request you to note down the right answer. If you want, you can stop the video, you can pause the video and you can note down the right answer. So these are the popular questions I found in some public examinations and some kind of MCQ. Okay, so some PSC examination, state-wise PSC examination and SSC have found these kind of questions. So that's why I have put up the similar kind of questions in this session. I hope you have noted down. I feel all questions are most important. So that is the intention for putting these questions, and it may helpful for you for cracking the competitive examination. However, let us discuss the question right from the beginning. Moving on to the first question. The chemical name of caustic soda. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, calcium hydroxide. Which is the right answer? The chemical name of caustic soda. Which is the right answer? The right answer is sodium hydroxide. I should go for option B. Let me discuss question number 2. Common name of sodium chloride. It is of course common salt. 2 questions are completed. I hope you are verifying your answer. Let me discuss question number 3 and 4. Chemical name of green vitriol. Lead sulfide, iron sulfate, zinc sulfate, copper sulfate. Which is the right answer? Green vitriol. So green vitriol will be iron sulfate. I should go for option B, iron sulfate. Option B is the correct answer. Green vitriol, very important. Question number 4. Chemical name of galena. Iron sulfate, copper sulfate, lead sulfate, lead sulfide. Don't get confused about the sulfate and sulfide. Okay, both are different. Okay, so which is the right answer? Chemical name of galena. That is lead sulfide. I should go for option D, lead sulfide. Very, very important. Don't choose this answer. The right answer is lead sulfide. So we have completed 4 questions. I hope you are marking down the proper answer and you are verifying by yourself. Question number 5. Na2SO4 10H2O CaSO4 2H2O is known as, which is the right answer? I should go for gypsum. So what is actually gypsum? It is known as global salt, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, dihydrate. That is called gypsum. Question number 6. FeSO4 7H2O is also known as dash. FeSO4 7H2O, that is known as green vitriol. What do you mean by green vitriol? We have already discussed about green vitriol. That is iron sulfate. Then question number 7. Na2CO3 10H2O is dash. Washing soda, soda ash, baking soda, both A and B. Washing soda and soda ash both are actually same material. Of course, I should go for both washing soda and soda ash. So as far as the question concerned, the right answer is both A and B. I should go for option D. I think you are following me. So let us discuss another question. K2SO4, Al2SO4 thrice. Which is the right answer? That is caustic potash, alum, gypsum, global salt. I should go for alum. Alum is the right answer. What is actually alum? It is a potash. Okay, so in this session we have discussed most important questions in the area of chemistry. In the coming session, I am going to continue the remaining part of the questions which I have selected. Hope the session will be useful and it will be helpful for cracking the competitive examination. I wish you all the very best.